In this video, we're going to discuss how to generate roots pump lobe profiles. What you see here are two small red discs. One red disc is rotating inside of a large blue circle and the other outside of it. Each red disc has a black dot attached to it. Those dots create plane curves. The curve generated by the black dot attached to the inner red disc is called a hypocycloid, and the other attached to the outer red disc is called an epitrachoid. Since the distance of the black dots from the center of the red disc can be any number, an infinite number of curves can be generated. The spirograph, a toy well known by many people, is one example of a hypocycloid. As you can see here, by changing some variables, we can get some very interesting patterns. But this is more than just a kid's toy. There are many interesting applications of these curves in engineering. A combination of the hypocycloid and epitrachoid curve segments can generate what's called roots pump lobe profiles. The roots pump is used widely to generate compressed air or used as a turbocharger for diesel engines. Here we're going to show you a few pump lobe profiles starting with two lobes. Let's change the parameters to obtain a two lobe profile. We're going to adjust the values to 180, 45, and 45. There we have this interesting curve. However, from this figure, it's not clear where the two lobe profile is. So let's change the drawing pattern and rerun the drawing. Ta-da! Now we have a two lobe roots pump profile. Next, we're going to show you a few more roots pump profiles. For a three lobe roots pump profile, the values are 180, 30, and 30. For a four lobe, our values are 200, 25, and 25. For a five lobe, our values are 200, 20, and 20. And for a six lobe, our values are 180, 15, and 15. This concludes our video on roots pump lobe profiles. Check back soon for more videos on mekanizmalar.com.